Hey, what is up guys, it's Sekju here back with another video, and today guys, I'll be going ahead and showing you guys how you can permanently erase all the files on your iOS device with this software called iMyFone Umate. Now I know that you can just do it in iTunes, but this software guarantees that there's zero chance of recovery, which means that your files will be actually deleted. This can help if you're selling your phone to someone, giving it away to a family member, or even disposing it, as it makes it so that there will be no way to ever see any of your information again and recover it on the device. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into today's video. So starting off, you guys will want to go ahead and download a software called iMyFone Umate, as I said in the beginning. Link of the website will be in the description. So when you first reach the website, click on download and select Umate Pro. The software does work with both PC and Mac, so you don't have to worry about what computer you're using. After that, it should automatically prompt you to download it, and you can just follow the installation instructions from then on. Afterwards, launch iMyFone Umate, connect your device to the computer via the lightning cable, click on erase all data, and on your device clear out all the apps in the multitasking slots. Type in delete in the text box, and after that the process should be starting. However, midway the application will restart your device, and you will have to enter your password again to continue the erasing of your data. During the process, make sure that you do not access your data, as it may corrupt the erasing process. Finally, it should say that all the data have been erased, and all you have to do is simply click done. If you now open your iOS device, you should see that it has been factory resetted, and you'll have to set it up all over again, and there's no way to recover your data. Alright, so guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, and if you would like to see more tech tutorials just like this, make sure to subscribe. So again, that is it for today's video, and I will see you guys all next week.